Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Lavello knot. That's the Italian word for sink. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. As usual, let's come over here, put in our dimple. We'll bring it over here to the center. And we're going to come up and over like that. And come down and around like this. Alright, so there we have that so far. Come over like so, and then come back around like this. And then do the same, do that one more time. And then we're going to do a wreath. And come underneath like this. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do a wreath. I don't want to leave this open. Then I'm going to have it folded in half. It's going to kind of naturally do that. And then I'm going to come down here like this. Okay, we have that. The goal was not for it to look like a sink, by the way. So if you're wondering, that wasn't the goal. It was just a cool sounding word that we're going to attach to a knot. So here we go. So here's this. Kind of open it up. There you have it. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Again, see the picture of this tie knot on my Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.